are here at the original Meow Wolf in Santa Fe, New Mexico, which I heard from my valet at the Drury Inn that this used to be a bowling alley, so I'm ready to see what craziness I'm in store for. I've been wanting to go here, gosh, I don't know, 6 years or more. Now, unfortunately, I did not buy my tickets online, so I'm not going to be able to go in with this group, so I got to buy them online. I probably got to wait a little bit, 30 minutes to an hour, to actually be able to come here. Over here, we have this huge robot with the flower. Got our 11:40 tickets and about to proceed inside Meow Wolf, House of Eternal. We are getting to proceed to the front of the line. Here at the security station, got to get checked, make sure we don't bring anything we shouldn't bring into this interdimensional place. Time to enter the House of Eternal. It's dark, got a cracked door here. Oh, looks like we're outside of a 2-story house. Shoot, where you want to go first? I'm gonna go up the stairs and see what we can see up here. Alright, it's our turn to view this room. And it is covered. Oh my gosh. You could probably spend a pretty good amount of time trying to find something in here, whether there's something to find or not. It's like there's a right turn here.
I think we were down there.
What is this? We got a little balcony that looks down. Oh my gosh, this is where the house gets crazy. Definitely giving me the vibes from the one I went to in Texas. That's cool, Mammoth School.
Oh, we're figuring it out.
Oh, we got a closet. But is it just a closet? Nope. It's a hallway. Oh, I know what this is gonna be. Oh, it doesn't light the walls up, but it lights his keyboard up. It's kind of cool, huh? A little hallway to your piano room. Here it looks like a skinny little entrance. Oh, God. Oh my gosh, I really am gonna have to think thin. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was no joke. That was skinny. I'm not even the world's biggest guy, and that was skinny. Here we got this wicked looking clown room. Look at this guy over here spying on us. We got the little operation game. Abolish, planned, obsolete. I don't know that word, forgive me. Obsolence, probably, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, here we got another guy on the screen. It's a good creepy looking photo. Or video. What are you willing to risk? Oh, we got the intergalactical space room. You can take a little seat if you want to. I'm gonna walk into a room where the door swings your way. Oh, that's exactly what I was just talking to my camera about. Let's see what's in this room. Oh, this one's cool. It actually smells good too.
love this room.
Oh yeah.
This is awesome.
So pink.
I know, but it looks like candy. I want to
Smells
eat
good,
it.
huh?
Selfie.
Yeah.
We go into kind of a Beetlejuice looking room. What is this about? This is the pew. It has these twisted ropes on it. You know, some sort of triangle symbolage. Oh, it's turning dark now. Now the colors are turning. It was green and black and what was it? Purple, and now it's all these other colors. Oh my gosh, it's changing again. We don't know what color this room is. See, there's the green. It looks green. Oh my gosh, this is trippy. Trippy. Oh, I heard something to this side of me. Here we got, it looks like some fish swimming in this glowing water. We got a horse over here. Oh my gosh, what is going on in here? Oh my gosh. I don't even know how to describe this. Like everything's stretching and upside down and twisty. Oh, say what? I found the neon forest. I've been wanting to see this ever since I've seen it in Facebook pictures, like I said, forever ago. Oh, this is so cool. And what's cool is it has like this effect with this mirror that makes it look like it goes forever. So it literally looks like you're in a neon forest. And they have all these interesting fish above you. Oh, we got an astronaut over here. Or no, he's a scuba diver. Oh my gosh, maybe we're in the sea and not in the forest. And he is, oh, he is intense looking, like he's really trying to stay up in this water. Oh, we got a big old octopus up here. Very cool. And the neon forest looks like now we're by a fence and right back in front of the house. Talk about twists and turns. There's a mailbox. Let's see if there's any. Oh! There is something in here. What do we got? We got some letters. Please do not take. There's a rat all the way back there. Some notes. Alright, on the other side of the house, you walk into some sort of vortex that's sucking everything silver up. Looks like there's a little alien guy right up here. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Let's see what's in here. Oh man, that palm tree scared me. Hey look, here's a creepy looking video. Oh, you can stick your hand in here and touch, I think, some alien eggs. Oh, I'm changing the colors on this thing. That's kind of cool. Gosh, look at this place. It says you are okay. Are you sure about that, bud? A little small entrance. Oh, a little sneaker door. And now you're back to the front of the house. Yeah. Get right beside you. How's it going up there? Do you say anything? Now you just look cute. Blink twice if you need help. Oh, he needs help. Blink twice if you want to go home with us. Okay, you're going. Get in the bag, buddy. Get in the bag. Let's see what we got in this area. Oh, we got a very cool looking wall. Oh, another cool looking wall. Oh. Here we got some sort of glowing underwater stuff. Sit in this little chair and get all sucked into the Twilight Zone. Here we have like some stalactite full of eyeballs. Next thing we got this huge spider right here. Check out this arcade real quick. Looks like they got some Marvel vs. Capcom, Street Fighter 2. I don't know this game. Very cool theme too as well.
All these buttons, right? Hit all those buttons. They're all just button match.
Right in the middle of Meow. You can go exploring and you run into this. Oh, we got a family favorite. Skee ball. This is a cool looking skee ball machine. Oh, this lady was just talking to us in that room. We got her form of Zoltar. Almost says Zordon. Here we got a Meow Wolf claw machine, and it looks like you can get a bunch of just about anything in there. Except for this rat, he's probably not fitting. There's a bunch of little goodie bags. Here are these mushrooms I seen that lady hitting on that make music. Oh. Oh, look at these. So cool. I don't know who this is, but let's try to appease them by putting some stuff in here. Oh, that doesn't move. Nothing moves. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be able to appease you today. Oh, look at this guy. Oh. Talk to me, guy. There's so many cool little things on the wall. Got his back out. Looks like into, I don't even know what to call this. The one in Grapevine looks like a Tokyo City. This looks like, oh, this is a whole different area. What am I even talking about? Oh my gosh, so much to explore. I'm about to go explore this really good without the camera on so I can seriously get immersed into this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. That's a good way to end it. That explains it all right there. Alright, I thought I was done until I saw this ice machine with an entryway into a neon looking mirror maze. So after this little brief encounter, then I'll be done, because how am I not going to get this on camera? Let's see what these do. Okay, I did something. I guess it changes the theme of it. Let's see what it, spectrum. Cool, cool. of this dimension.
They don't tell you it's a one-way.
It's okay.
Very cool. Alright, the video ends.